Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Summer is upon us and today I'm going to start this off with a delicious Mediterranean style pasta with some summer vegetables. So let's get started right now. This recipe is going to be super easy and great for any beginner cooks out there, and also for my vegetarian fans. This is going to be a great summer lunch for all of you. So let's kick this off with boiling some water for our pasta. Be sure to season your pasta with plenty of salt and let it come to a rolling boil. Be sure to cook the pasta for 7 to 8 minutes or until al dente or to the tooth. Once the pan is hot, add in your olive oil and let that get screaming hot. Now I sliced these onions off instead of a fine dice so I can get a nice sear without the risk of burning the onions. Same for the zucchini. Having that 1/2-inch dice is perfect to get that nice sear while making sure that it gets cooked all the way through. Add your zucchini and onion and give it a nice stir, and we want to cook this out until both the onion and the zucchini have nicely browned. The reason why we are searing off our zucchini and the onion is that as these vegetables caramelize, it adds more flavor to your final dish. So now add in your garlic and some chili flakes and just saute for less than a minute. Now add in your tomatoes and cook them while stirring often until they become soft. As the tomatoes cook down and they meld with the juices from the zucchini, it's gonna create a delicious sauce for your pasta. Once the pasta is cooked, strain it and add it to your pan. Turn off the heat and stir to combine really nicely, and then finish it off with some fresh Parmesan cheese. After you add your cheese, give it a nice mix and we are ready to serve. Let's take a quick bite, eh? It's super good. It smells amazing. Getting the zucchini, tomato. That's summer on a plate right there. This is your dinner tonight, so go and make this right now. So there you have it, guys. You have your dinner planned out for tonight. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Let me know what you had for dinner if you didn't have this in the comment section down below. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new awesome content. Follow me on all my social media handles so you always know what I am up to. All my social media handles will be linked down below. Till then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.